Hi, my name is Bill. Welcome to this 4-minute video flying over the Grand River at about 8:30 in the morning. And we wanted to get a few last videos using the Phantom 3 because we just took possession of the of a new DJI Mini 3 Pro and wanted to have some examples of the video that this can shoot and might make it a little easier for me to sell the Phantom 3. Anyways, we took off over on a bank over here, and I always like to come down here. It's real peaceful flying out over this Grand River. During the springtime, when the water is high, there's quite a bit of fish, and there's a lot of fishing going on in here. But as this is getting now towards the midsummer, the water levels are down considerably. They go up and down, you know, with if we have any heavy rains, but we're just adjusting the gimbal here and going to center it so we can see the shadow of the Phantom there right in the water as we move forward. And since the water is nice and reflective, you can at times look in the water and see a reflection of the sky. There's a better example coming up a little bit further down here, but clearly see the shadow of the Phantom 3 as we're going along. And you know, I sometimes I look, you know, along the shorelines and in the water just to see if there's anything. There's a lot of things to look for while you're flying like this. There's a nice view of the sky reflecting off of the fairly calm Grand River. And you know, we actually did fly quite a bit down. We went down around the bend down there and around, but we just trying to keep this one short and sweet. And we saw what looked like the remnants of a campfire on this other side over there. There goes a bird flying by. And you know, there are entrances on either side of the river for people to come down and walk down here. And so apparently some people came down and set up a little campfire there at some point, and there's plenty of wood around because there's always trees falling down into the river that get you know, due to erosion or whatever. And there's something walking along the side over there. I don't know if that's a bird or whatever, but I was on the right hand side. I'll have to investigate that myself. You never know what you're going to see when you come down here. It's kind of interesting. I like to come down here when there are people fishing, and I actually got some video of a guy catching a fish one time, but that was more up towards the Harpersfield Bridge, which they have blocked off now because they're doing a total reconstruction of it. And I've posted enough videos of that in the past, so until they do something really wild, I won't be posting anymore. There's me standing on the shoreline over there, looking at the my 10.4 inch pad, Galaxy Note 6 pad. And the Phantom 3 does adjust to changing light conditions fairly well. I've got it in auto here, so as we swing around and pan around, it's adjusting the settings itself. Now we got the gimbal pointed straight down as we were coming in for a landing, so we're crossing over from where the river is running over onto the shoreline where we were standing at. And this, you know, gives me a chance to see where I'm landing if I'm looking right in the notepad there to see exactly where I'm landing at. But at any rate, I hope you enjoyed this short video. Lots of nice scenery. If you want, leave a comment and stop back again soon.